To transfer your previous device to Google Pixel 10 Pro, first you need to open a settings on your Google Pixel. Also, if you're performing a first setup on your Google Pixel, you will have the same option. It will just appear differently. So if you decided to restore your previous device on your Google Pixel, follow those guidelines. So here in the settings, I'm going to go for backup or copy data, then copy data using Android Share. And then you can see instructions. So choose what to copy. Copy photos, contacts, messages, and more. And then you won't lose recent data. The data you copy is merged with the data on this device. If you changed settings, those changes won't be overwritten. Make sure that the other device that you're copying the files from is also charged in this process. Then we can click on Start. And here select either Pixel phone, previous Pixel generations or whatever phone you have, or Android device, any other device, or iPhone or iPad. You can also go and restore it from the backup on your Google account as well. In this case, we're going to go for Android device. Then all you have to do is scan this QR code with the other device. So if you have Android phone or any other device, just open the QR code scanner. Usually it's located in the quick access icons, and all you have to do is swipe down from the top of your device and find the QR code scanner. Scan this code, and then the entire backup will start. All you have to do is follow instructions on screen. And that is basically everything.